In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form in Wix. Whether you're a business owner looking to enhance communication with your clients or a blogger wanting to interact more personally with your readers, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is go to your Wix website editor. To do this, open up your personal Wix account and access the editor for the page you want to enhance. Once you're in, you'll be ready to add your contact form. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see the Add Elements button. Click on it. This is where you're able to bring different components into your website, and today we'll focus on getting that contact form set up. After opening the Add Elements menu, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Here, you can precisely find what you're looking for. Click on the search option and type in Contact Form. This will bring up all the available contact forms that Wix has to offer. Once you've typed in Contact Form, you'll see a variety of options appear. Take a moment to look through the different styles and layouts. Each of these forms has been designed to fit various aesthetic preferences, so pick one that aligns with the look and feel of your website. After you found the one you like, click on it to select it. You can then drag your chosen contact form onto your page. Simply click, hold, and drag it to the position on your web page where you want it to appear. Once you're satisfied with its placement, release the mouse button to drop it into place. With your form added to the page, it's time to customize it further to fit your unique needs. Click on the form you just added, and you'll see a Settings button appear. Click on Settings to start customizing. Within the settings, you'll find the Layout option. By clicking on Layout, you'll have the ability to modify the arrangement of the fields within the form. This is particularly useful if you want to streamline the form's appearance or make sure it aligns well with other elements on the page. Next, move on to the Design section. Clicking on Design will offer you a range of visual customization options such as colors, fonts, and overall style. This is your chance to make the form cohesive with your website's design theme, ensuring everything looks polished and professional. Finally, click on Manage. This is where you input the back-end details. Here, you'll set up email notifications and manage form submissions. It guarantees you're notified whenever someone reaches out through the form, ensuring swift responses and optimal communication with your audience. And there you have it. Your Wix contact form is fully equipped to start connecting you with your site visitors. Personalize your engagement and streamline interactions right from your website. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!